Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to make passive income now in 2020. So you're going to be able to make money while you sleep. Stay tuned till the end. Now let's get started with YouTube. YouTube to me is one of the most achievable ways to make money online, and the reason is because it is very easy to find things that people are interested in. A lot of people create lists of very interesting stuff and make a lot of money through it. So there's a lot of traffic, there's a lot of people looking for information, and there's a lot of people watching, and we make money for that watching. So it is very easy to have something that is attractive to people, right? So we see right here we have memes compilations, we have creepy videos compilations, we have evolutions of YouTubers, we have tips for video games, we have a lot of different stuff that could help us make themes that will help us make an easy video. For example, these scary stories by Mr. Nightmare. You can make a video very easily and then get a lot of views and make a lot of money through it. So right here, Mr. Nightmare, he's well known, he's one of the biggest ones, but he's been doing this for a while and his videos are very simple. It's just stock footage over scary stories, and as you can see, he's making in between $1,000 and $15,000 a month. That means he's making an average of $7,500 a month, and that is insane. That is so much money just to put stock videos together. Now let's see over here. We have Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a YouTuber who has increased the number of his number of subscribers over the years. He started with a simple channel, and then he started getting a lot of views, and he became viral. There's other YouTubers who followed the same path, right? And this guy makes videos about them. He talks about their evolution, their funny moments, right? So he basically collects their videos and puts them together and then makes a video of his own, and he makes in between $635 and $10,000 a month. That is a lot of money. Why is he and how is he making this amount of money? Through making stuff that people want to watch. People want to watch famous people, and since these YouTubers are famous, he's making videos about the YouTubers and then making money of it. Now we have another video here, how to create a free website. Now we know a lot of people have small businesses and they maybe want to create their own website, stuff like that. This is the other type of material or content that you could be making on YouTube, right? So let's take a look over here. Let's see this guy's website learners making between $451 and $7,000 a month on YouTube, right? So that's an average of about $3,500 a month on YouTube from making videos to help people out, right? Help them solve problems. So there's plenty of different ways in which you could be making money on YouTube. So I totally recommend that you start thinking, what could you talk about? What kind of stuff would be appropriate for me to talk about and make videos so that I can get some traffic to my channel and I can get some views and I can start making some money. So number one is YouTube. Make sure you sign up and make a YouTube channel and start making videos. Now let's go to number two. Number two is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and making an earning on those sales, right? So in this case, Share a Sell, for example, here the webpage that I'm showing you has a number of products that they want to sell, and you can sign up and take those products and then promote those products, and whenever someone buys that product, you could make money. Now they have a video over here of how it works. You just sign up and basically you have access to the merchants. Here's a list of the merchants. They have several different categories. For example, computer and electronics. So you have all of the sellers and all of the products that you can get from computers and electronics over in this tab. If we go back and we go to art and music and photography, we have RedBubble, we have Cricut, we have Masterclass, right? So we have a lot of really well-known and really well-respected companies like Reeboks, Spanx, Prosy, Jane, Just Style, Omaze, US Polo Association, Shine. You know, you have a lot, Claire's, you know, you have a lot of products and companies here that are very well-known that you could be selling for and making money on those sales. We also have other affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank. ClickBank is very, very well respected. They have a lot of products, really good products, so I recommend that you sign up up to that one too. Also, if you ever think of like physical stores like Home Depot, maybe Best Buy, they usually have affiliate programs as well. So if you are the kind of person who buys a lot of stuff from this kind of stores and you know that you could be promoting this stuff because you actually like it, you could also make money on promoting that stuff. So if you go to the Home Depot page, or if you look on Google for Home Depot affiliate program, you're gonna see that this pops up, and then it explains here how everything works. But you can basically earn money by joining the affiliate network and start selling. Now let's go to our third way to make money online, which is create your own product. In this case, I would suggest you write your own ebook. If you find yourself interesting in any way, or you find some kind of subject interesting and you think you know enough that you can compile information and write an ebook about it, it's very easy to be self-published and start selling online. And then you can use ClickFunnels to sell your book, right? So these are two different tools that you can use, right? You can create a product like an ebook. It doesn't have to be an ebook. It could be any kind of product that you want to sell online. And then you can take that to ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels will help you build a website and a funnel of clicks that will help you sell the most amount of money possible. So make sure to check out ClickFunnels if you have a product you want to sell online of your own, and make sure that you think of a product that you could be selling online, because this is a very good way for you to make money while you sleep. You just create the product and you wake up and you have orders, right? So this is very cool. It will help you edit the web page and everything in a very simple way. Also, ClickFunnels, if you don't have a product you want to sell, has an affiliate program. So if you want to sell the membership of ClickFunnels because you looked at it and you believe in it and you think it's a very good thing to offer to some other entrepreneurs, this is a good way to make money as well, which is look up the ClickFunnels affiliate program and then start selling that program to other entrepreneurs with products that they are trying to distribute. Help them make sales and help yourself by making money. Next, we have RedBubble. RedBubble is one of the coolest and easiest ways to make money online in a passive income way in 2020. Why? Because all you have to do is come up with things that you like, put it on stuff and sell it. And you don't even have to put it on stuff. They will put it on stuff for you. So if you see here, they have several categories of art that you can put on things, and then you can sell them, right? So we have a lot of people here that are selling their art through RedBubble. They don't have to do anything. This is a print-on-demand service. Basically, what happens is you upload your design and to which products you want to put them on the page, and then customers find and purchase the products they love featuring your designs. Then the products are produced to order and shipped around the world, and then the customers get an awesome product and you get paid. So they basically do all the work for you. All you have to do is get your creativity out there, make some stuff that you think is gonna sell, that you think people are gonna buy. So for example, here I'm just type funny. So we have face mask with the mouth of Donald Trump, or like a Darth Vader mouth, a duct tape face mask. We have stickers of well-known memes. We have a shirt with the entire Shrek script. You know, people get very creative here, but if you look at it, it doesn't really take much to create these things. This is all funny stuff, right? So I looked up for funny, but let's look at the best-selling stuff, right? We're in the most relevant. Let's look at the best-selling stuff. The best-selling stuff is this, right? These are just cutouts of stickers of memes that people took out and they just did a little bit of stuff to it, and then they are the most sold stuff on the page, right? So if you have some art you might want to sell, if you have some time to spare and you think, oh, you know, this would be funny on a shirt, this is a very good way to make passive income. So make sure you check out RedBubble and sign up, because you won't regret it. If you have an idea for a t-shirt that's super funny and you put it out there and you make a ton of money, you're gonna be very glad you did so. Now let's go to our fifth and last way to make a passive income in 2020, and this is Teachable, creating an online course. Online courses are one of the best ways to make money online. Why? Because you only have to do the course once. You teach the course to a camera, and then the camera does the rest of the work for you, and the internet does the rest of the work for you. You don't have to be actively there to give every class that you could give, right? So what online courses help you do is reach a wider audience, that will learn at their own pace. You don't have to compromise time with them. They don't have to compromise time with you. You just go out there and learn it whenever you want. So Teachable is one of the best ways to start with this, because they'll help you create your online course. You just have to sign up, and then they will help you distribute that online course. Now you can find other services. There's stuff like Udemy. Udemy is very well known, you know. You can sell your course in Udemy as well. So there are several services that will sell online courses, but this is a very great way to make money online in 2020, because as I said, you only have to do the work once. You only have to teach the class once, then you put it out there and people will pay to watch it. So make sure you check out some of these courses, make sure you check out some of these services, and think about some kind of hobby or some kind of pastime that you have that could be monetized by teaching it to someone else. Even cooking, photography, filmmaking, whatever you want could be monetized by making a course of it. Thank you very much for watching this video. We appreciate you very much watching us. We want to remind you that we are constantly uploading new videos on ways to make money online, and we understand and know that it's very hard to make money right now because things are very hard and kind of scary with the whole COVID thing happening. But we are compromised on making new videos on how to make money online for you. So if you find these videos helpful, if you think this is something helpful and that will benefit you by helping you make money online in a passive way, let us know in the comments. Please, if you like the video, give us a like, and we hope to see you later. Thank you very much. Take care.